What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best gaming PCs under $1,000 in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Looking to delve into the world of gaming without breaking the bank? The iBuyPower Slate MR Gaming PC, one of the top budget-friendly gaming PCs under $1,000 in 2024, is a strong contender. This mid-tier gaming desktop provides an impressive experience for its affordable price tag. Under the hood, the Slate MR houses a 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 2600 processor and 8GB of DDR4 RAM, alongside a Radeon RX 580 graphics card. This dynamic trio ensures most games can be enjoyed on medium to high settings. The Slate MR isn't just about performance, it also offers ample storage with a 1TB hard drive and a 240GB solid-state drive. The Slate MR doesn't compromise on aesthetics either, boasting a sleek design and operating quietly. It caters well to casual gamers, offering excellent graphics and a generous hard drive. It's also equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 graphics card that enables you to engage with the latest games at high settings. Another variant of the Slate MR series comes powered by a 6-core Intel Core i5-8400 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 video card with 6GB of GDDR5 memory and 16GB of DDR4 memory. This model also includes a 240GB M.2 solid-state drive, a 2TB hard drive with a 16MB cache, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and Gigabit Ethernet ports. For those looking to save even more, the base model with an Intel Core i3-8350K processor is a viable option. The iBuyPower Slate MR is a robust gaming desktop, featuring a 3.2 GHz AMD Ryzen 5 1600 processor that can turbo up to 3.6 GHz for demanding games. Combined with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti graphics card, it delivers plenty of power for high-end gaming, even at KHD+. 3200 by 1800 display with a 60Hz refresh rate. The Core i3-8100 3.6 GHz processor may be the slowest in this lineup, but it performs admirably for general tasks, handling everyday computing with ease, and running less demanding applications or games without issues. In most standard gaming rigs, this CPU would be an optimal choice. The monitor delivers high resolution, excellent color contrast and brightness. The built-in speakers provide clear sound, good enough to be heard over ambient noise for gaming or watching videos at low volumes. The screen sports a smooth matte finish for easy viewing from various angles. Thumbs up. The Skytech Shadow is a top contender for the best value gaming PC under $1,000 in 2024. Takes center stage in our review lineup. The Shadow series from Skytech offers an array of configurations, combining power with elegance to cater to the needs of both mid-range gamers and professional creatives. This particular model we're examining is equipped with AMD's core components and NVIDIA's latest Ampere-based RTX 3000 series graphics cards. Specifically, it houses a Ryzen 5 5600 processor and an RTX 3060 Ti graphics card, making it a formidable choice for gaming at high frame rates in 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Though it may not outperform competitors featuring NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3080 GPUs such as the Skytech Shiva, the Shadow's processor holds its ground. It also comes with a more affordable price tag. Given its blend of AMD's proficient CPU and NVIDIA's RTX 3060 Ti, the Shadow delivers impressive gaming performance at both 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Its performance on Far Cry New Dawn Ultra is noteworthy, handily outperforming its closest rivals with a 1080p score of 99 FPS and nearly reaching 60 FPS at 4K resolution. This powerful machine is adept at running a wide range of popular games, including Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Roblox, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, and Overwatch, among others. With the Shadow, you can game and stream simultaneously without lag, providing a smooth viewing experience for your followers. The GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs elevate your creative projects, offering AI acceleration for high-end applications. Whether you're rendering intricate 3D scenes, editing 4K videos, or live streaming with optimal encoding and image quality, the GeForce RTX GPUs deliver unrivaled performance. Finally, the Shadow incorporates second-gen GeForce RTX graphics that support ray tracing, enabling hyper-realistic shadows and lighting effects without compromising high frame rates. This feature simulates the behavior of light in real time, bringing cinematic quality visuals to even the most graphically demanding games. Introducing the Omen 25L gaming desktop, an impressive contender for the title of best high-performance gaming PC under $1,000 in 2024. Although it could benefit from a few additional ports, particularly up front, the HP Omen 25L stands tall as an eye-catching RGB-lit PC that delivers robust performance to meet all your 1080p gaming requirements. If you're not on the hunt for cutting-edge gaming, the HP Omen 25L will comfortably cater to your needs. It's ideally suited suited for those who primarily game at 1080p resolution. This review focuses on a robust configuration of the PC, but virtually any variant of this machine will deliver excellent performance. Whether you're evading law enforcement in the dystopian world of Cyberpunk 2077 or commanding mystical armies in Total War Warhammer 3, the reviewed model, unlike the base configuration, pairs an AMD CPU with NVIDIA graphics, specifically an AMD Ryzen 7 5700G 16GB, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, and a 512GB SSD supplemented by an extra 1TB hard drive. The HP Omen 25L is available in various configurations, with options for both AMD and Intel CPUs, and AMD and NVIDIA GPUs. In terms of port availability, the selection is satisfactory but not extraordinary. The front-facing ports, conveniently located next to the power button atop the tower, are restricted to just two USB-A ports, a headphone jack and a microphone jack. Any USB-C peripherals will need to be connected at the back, where only two ports are accessible, along with four USB-A ports. The Omen 25L gaming PC is designed for easy upgrades, featuring a tool-free door for quick access and maintenance. Swap out any of the four external hard drives without even opening the case. And when you need to delve into the system, the angle design makes it a breeze to open with the included double-sided screwdriver and replacement screws. Introducing our next contender in the search for the best gaming PC under $1,000 in 2024, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming Desktop. A runner-up in this category, it offers an impressive balance of price and performance. Arguably, the most crucial component of a gaming PC is the graphics card, responsible for rendering the stunning visuals that immerse gamers in their digital worlds. The more potent your GPU, the smoother and faster your games will run, and the better they'll look. This CyberPowerPC is equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660, a capable GPU that can comfortably run 826 of the most popular games at their recommended settings. The heart of this machine is its Intel Core i5-9400F processor, capable of speeds up to 2.9 GHz. This level of processing power means it can easily handle 865 of the top 1,000 PC games at their recommended levels. Consequently, this pre-built gaming rig can smoothly run popular games such as GTA 5, Apex Legends, Minecraft, and Fortnite. Designed with gaming in mind, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR Desktop is VR ready, boasting high-performance Intel CPUs and GPUs. Its high-speed memory and spacious hard drive allow it to dedicate all its resources towards delivering an unrivaled gaming experience. Whether it's VR or traditional games, you can expect a fully immersive experience from this machine. As for the CPU's performance, it's future-proofed enough to remain relevant for quite some time. In terms of gaming at 1080p, the synergy between the GPU and CPU ensures a consistent 60 FPS in nearly every major title currently on the market, promising longevity. This model comes with 8GB of DDR4 RAM, a 120GB SSD, a 1TB HDD, a 500-watt power supply, built-in Wi-Fi, Windows 10 pre-installed, and a basic keyboard-mouse combo. 8GB of RAM has become the standard for gaming, allowing you to run demanding games and VoIP applications like Discord simultaneously. If you're a heavy multitasker, consider upgrading to 16GB of RAM. A 500-watt power supply fuels the system, sufficient for its current configuration. However, if you plan on upgrading to more robust hardware, you may need a more powerful PSU. The 1TB HDD provides ample storage for all your games and less frequently used programs. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. As we venture into the gaming PC landscape of 2024, the Skytech Archangel emerges as a top contender for the best overall system under $1,000. This mid-tier gaming rig surprises with its blend of affordability and high-end features, including a glass panel showcasing the aesthetically pleasing internals, adorned with 3 RGB lit fans controlled remotely. The Archangel's solid metal frame ensures durability, while its dimensions of 17.9 by 8.3 by 16.4 inches strike a balance between space efficiency and room for hardware. The design leans towards the gamer aesthetic, but it avoids over-the-top flashiness, favoring a more minimalist approach. Steel constructs most of the external panels and internal structure, complemented by tempered glass on the front and left panels, providing a clear view into the spacious interior and the trio of LED-lit fans. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, the Archangel doesn't compromise on performance. Its AMD Ryzen 5 2600X CPU and NVIDIA GTX 1660 graphics card form a potent duo, delivering smooth gameplay at 1080p resolution. Its 16GB RAM ensures seamless multitasking, while the 500GB SSD offers speedy load times. In front of this gaming tower hosts 2 USB 3.1 Type-A ports, alongside separate headphone and microphone jacks. While a USB-C port or a media card reader would be a welcome addition, the back panel compensates with 5 USB 3.1 ports, 1 USB Type-C, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and audio jacks for headphones line in and line out. When put to the test, the Archangel impressively handles modern PC games at 1080p. Titles like Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 and Rage 2 2019 run smoothly, while Shadow of the Tomb Raider 2018 achieves frame rates exceeding 70 FPS at 1080p resolution in high settings. Benchmark tests reaffirm the Archangel's capabilities. With its GTX 1660 1060 graphics card delivering consistent performance. In games such as Star Wars Battlefront 2, the Archangel averages 73 FPS, outperforming competitors equipped with the RX 590 and 6GB GTX 1060 by nearly 18% and 23% respectively. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. So that's it for the top 5 gaming PCs under $1,000 in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.